Hello traders, you are welcome to my video on the level trading 123 indicator. Now this indicator is quite an effective indicator if you want to be trading trend reversals and spotting key entry points. If you are looking for a tool that helps you identify strong support and resistance levels, catch bullish and bearish reversal signals, trade with more confidence on any time frame, then this indicator is exactly what you need. Okay, stick around to the end as I'll show you how to use it for scalping, intraday trading, and even longer term strategies. But before we jump in, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the best forex trading insights. Now I'm just going to add the level 123 indicator, level trading 123 indicator to the chart. Remember that this is a custom indicator, so you might have to download it from an external site and then add it to your indicators library, after which you'll be able to use it on your MetaTrader 4 terminal. Now, the level trading 123 indicator is a powerful trading tool for MetaTrader 4 that helps traders identify price reversal points using fractals. Okay, so this indicator works by analyzing key support and resistance levels, making it easy to spot buy and sell signals. The indicator automatically plots bullish and bearish trading signals so you can trade with confidence. Okay, whether you are a beginner or an advanced trader, this tool adapts to your trading style and helps you refine your strategy. Now, what is the best part? The level trading 123 indicator works on all time frames, from M5 and M15 for scalping to H1, daily, weekly, and even monthly charts for longer term setups. That means you can use it no matter what type of trader you are. All right, now let us break down how this indicator actually works. The first step is identifying bullish and bearish signals. The indicator plots bullish signals when it detects a potential uptrend reversal at key support levels. It also plots bearish signals when price reaches a key resistance level and starts to turn downwards. So these signals allow traders to enter and exit trades with more confidence. Now, let us talk about understanding support and resistance levels. Support levels act as floor. All right, support levels, they act as floor. They act as a floor where price is likely to bounce upwards. Okay, areas where price is likely to bounce upwards, that's support levels. Then resistance levels act as a ceiling where price is likely to reverse downwards. Okay, so the level trading 123 indicator marks these areas. You can see these areas, the blue mark for resistance, the red marks for support. So you can see some dotted lines following the marks, right? You can see there's some dotted lines, for the resistance and support zones. So now this helps traders to see where the market may turn next. How do you apply this to different time frames? For scalpers and day traders, you can use this indicator on the M5, that is the 5-minute chart, the 15-minute chart, and even the 1-hour chart to catch quick trend reversals. Then if you are a swing trader, you can actually decide to focus on the 4-hour chart and the daily chart for more medium-term trade setups, right? Then if you are a long-term trader, you can use the weekly chart or the monthly chart to find major market turning points for bigger swings. All right. So by following these steps, traders can maximize their accuracy and minimize false signals. One of the best things about this indicator is that it is useful for all types of traders, whether you are a beginner or an advanced trader. If you are new to trading, this tool is great for easily spotting entry and exit points. The visual buy and sell signals, you can see this X mark literally is giving you a buy signal. This blue mark is giving you, this red X mark is giving you a buy signal. This blue X mark is giving you a sell signal. So these visuals make it simple to understand when a trend may be changing. Now, if you're an advanced trader, if you're more experienced, you can use the level trading 1 to 3 indicator to combine with price action strategies, Fibonacci levels, and other indicators to refine your trade entries. Whether you are an intraday trader or a swing trader, this indicator adapts to both short-term and long-term traders, making it a versatile tool for different market conditions. Whether you are trading Forex, stocks, or even crypto, the principles remain the same, spotting high probability trade setups based on fractals, support, and resistance. Now, let us go over some of the best ways to use this indicator in your trading strategy. The first strategy is reversal trading, okay? Look for a buy signal when price touches a strong support level and starts to reverse upwards. You can look for a sell signal when price reaches resistance and starts to reverse downwards. Confirm your trade with candlestick patterns like pin bars or engulfing candles, okay? Then the second strategy is trend continuation. If price is in an uptrend, wait for a pullback to a support level. All right, you wait for a pullback to a support level, perhaps a dynamic support or static support. Static support are the horizontal support levels, by the way. So you can wait for a pullback to a support level and then, you know, look for a bullish signal to enter long, maybe a bullish candlestick pattern, or, you know, for example, you can see this pin bar that formed here, this hammer. So this would have been a good example, a good place to enter a buy trade. All right. Then if price is in a downtrend, you wait for a pullback to resistance. Okay, the reverse is the case, obviously. So in this case now, where we had a sell trend, just wait for a pullback. You can see there's an impulse move, a corrective move, an impulse move, a corrective move. So this was a pullback. It was a pullback. So this would have been a good place to enter a sell. This is another place to enter a sell. So after entering a sell, then you can just set your stop loss above the swing high, target support levels for your take profit. Okay, or wait for a buy signal to form and then you exit your trade quickly. All right. Now, the third strategy is combining it with other indicators. You can use moving averages to confirm trend direction. You can use RSI or MACD to check for overbought and oversold conditions before entering a trade, okay? And you can even combine with Fibonacci retracement levels to find stronger trade setups. So by combining these strategies, traders can increase their trade accuracy and minimize their risks. Now, if you really want to get the most out of this indicator, keep these final tips in mind, okay? Always trade with a plan. Do not just rely on signals. Use proper risk management. Check multiple time frames because higher time frames give stronger confirmation. Avoid trading in choppy markets because the indicator works well. It works best in trending markets, okay? Backtest before using real money. Always test your strategy in a demo account first. By following these tips, you'll be able to use the level trading 1, 2, 3 indicator effectively and confidently. And that is it, traders. The level trading 1, 2, 3 indicator is an amazing tool for spotting bullish and bearish trade signals, identifying support and resistance levels, and improving your overall trading strategy. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the best trading strategies. All right. Also, drop a comment below. Have you used the level trading 1, 2, 3 indicator before? What is your experience with it? Let us discuss strategies and help each other grow. All right. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.